Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Apple smartwatch bands that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Nylon Loop Sport Band by Sunnywu. If you're looking for a lightweight and breathable option for your Apple Watch, this band is worth considering. Made from high-quality nylon, the material feels soft and smooth against your skin, making it ideal for all-day wear. Its excellent breathability ensures your wrists stay comfortable, even during intense workouts or outdoor adventures. Plus, it's super easy to clean, which is a bonus for anyone who prioritizes hygiene and maintenance. The design features a magic tape closure, allowing for quick one-handed adjustments to find the perfect fit. Whether you're jogging, hiking, or simply going about your day, this band keeps your smartwatch securely in place. With 14 vibrant color options, it's also a fantastic way to match your outfit and create a personalized style statement. However, the band does come as a single unit, which might not be as versatile as multi-pack options. While the Sunnywu Nylon Loop Sport Band is a great pick for outdoor enthusiasts and those who want a lightweight yet durable band, it lacks some premium features like additional adjustability or multi-pack convenience. Overall, this is a solid choice for everyday use, but it may not be the best option for those who prefer the feel of silicone or stretchable materials. Pros: lightweight, breathable, and easy to clean. Cons: limited adjustability and single unit included. At number 4, we have the Beautifation Ken Pack Stretchy Bands, a versatile and budget-friendly option. These elastic sports straps offer impressive comfort and adaptability. The stretchy nylon material is both skin-friendly and water-resistant, making these bands ideal for workouts, swimming, or casual wear. The solo loop design ensures a snug and secure fit without the need for buckles or clasps, which is great for convenience. But it might not suit everyone who needs precise adjustability. One of the standout features of this set is the variety. With 10 different colors included, you'll be able to switch up your look daily to match your mood or outfit. The bands are lightweight and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. However, the lack of metal components might limit their elegance for formal occasions compared to other bands on this list. Overall, the Beautifation Stretchy Bands are perfect for anyone seeking comfort, variety, and affordability. They work well for active individuals who prefer no-fuss designs. On the downside, they may not be the best choice for users who prefer silicone or more structured materials. Pros: affordable, water-resistant, multiple color options. Cons: limited adjustability and lack of metal elements for a more premium look. Coming in at number 3 is the Sport Silicone Band by Supernana. This single silicone band is a fantastic choice for those who want a combination of durability, comfort, and style. Crafted from premium soft silicone, the material is lightweight and skin-friendly, ensuring no irritation even during extended wear. Whether you're sweating it out in the gym or swimming, the water-resistant properties make this band an excellent companion for an active lifestyle. The design features a pin and tuck closure system, providing a secure fit and easy installation. No tools are required, which saves you time and effort. With over 20 color options available, You'll have no trouble finding one that matches your mood or wardrobe. However, as this is a single band, it lacks the variety offered by multi-pack options. The Super Nana Sport Silicone Band is ideal for fitness enthusiasts who prioritize comfort and durability. Its lightweight design and sweat-proof attributes make it versatile for all kinds of activities. On the downside, the single band purchase might not provide as much value compared to others on this list. Pros: comfortable, water-resistant, and secure fit. Cons: limited value due to single band inclusion. At number 2, we have the Super Nana 15-pack soft silicone bands. This set delivers exceptional value, offering 15 different color options to suit every occasion, mood, or outfit. Made from premium soft silicone, the bands are skin-friendly, sweat-proof, and water-resistant, making them perfect for both everyday wear and active lifestyles. The lightweight material ensures comfort throughout the day, while the pin and tuck closure system provides a secure fit and easy installation. What sets this product apart is the sheer variety of colors included. Whether you're looking for muted tones or bold shades, this pack has something for everyone. The bands are compatible with all Apple Watch models, making them a versatile choice for users across different series. However, the larger package might not appeal to users who only need one or two specific colors. The Super Nana 15-pack is perfect for anyone who loves variety and wants to switch up their look frequently. With its durable build and affordable pricing, it's hard to beat the value this set offers. Pros: incredible color variety, durable silicone material, and secure fit. Cons: may be excessive for users who only need a few bands. Finally, at number 1, we have the AMSKY 6-pack sport bands. This set strikes the perfect balance between affordability, quality, and variety. Made from premium silicone, these bands are lightweight, waterproof, and incredibly comfortable to wear, making them a fantastic choice for everyday use and physical activities. The material is wrist-friendly, ensuring no irritation even during extended wear. The 6 muted and stylish colors included in the pack are perfect for mixing and matching with different outfits. AMSKY also incorporates a newly designed buckle that ensures a secure fit, preventing the watch from falling off or becoming loose. Installation is straightforward, with a one-button removal system for hassle-free switching. The pack is compatible with all Apple Watch models, further enhancing its versatility. The AMSKY 6-pack sport bands offer great value for users who want quality without breaking the bank. While the variety is slightly less than the Super Nana 15-pack, the premium silicone and secure buckle design make this set a standout option. Pros: high-quality silicone, secure buckle, and stylish color options. Cons: limited color variety compared to larger packs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.